In today's video, we'll see the recipe of an instant cheese burst pizza on tawa, which is made from leftover sandwich bread. It is very cheesy and flavorful and as good as your store-bought pizza. So for this recipe, I'm using white sandwich bread. To make one pizza, you would need 2 slices of bread. Cut the edges of one slice and leave the other slice just like that. We will gently flatten it with a rolling pin. To assemble the pizza, start by placing one bread slice at the bottom. Place a cheese slice on top, followed by some grated mozzarella cheese. Now place the flattened bread slice on top. Next goes a layer of pizza sauce. Since I did not have pizza sauce, I have used a combination of Schezwan Chutney along with some tomato ketchup. For the seasoning, I have used oregano, mixed herbs and chili flakes. Spread this evenly with the help of a spoon. Again, spread a layer of mozzarella cheese. Now top it up with veggies of your choice. In this recipe, I am using onions, green capsicum, some boiled corn and tomatoes. Last but not the least, we add a layer of mozzarella cheese again, because we are making a cheese burst pizza. Sprinkle some more oregano and chili flakes on top, and your first pizza is ready to be cooked. I'm gonna prepare one more pizza in the same way. Since this is a cheese burst pizza, there's a lot of mozzarella cheese going into it. But it is completely up to you if you want to decrease the quantity of the cheese. Now my second pizza is also ready. We will cook them. Add some butter to a pan. Let the butter melt and then we will spread it evenly. We will now place the pizza and cover with a lid. Set the flame on medium and we will cook this for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the cheese would have completely melted and the pizza would be ready. The butter would give the pizza a very crunchy texture and flavor. If you feel that the cheese has not melted, you can keep it for a couple of more minutes. The best part of this pizza is that it is instant and you need not prepare any pizza base. So do you see how cheesy this pizza looks? And when it comes to the taste, it is no less than a store-bought pizza. So make this cheese burst pizza at home and enjoy while it is still hot. And I'm sure you would keep making it again and again. If you like this recipe, do share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe. And watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.